Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video what we're going to see is we're going to see about Taiko only, and in this project we're going to use the testnet only in order to use the bridge so that we'll be eligible for the future airdrop. Okay, so the reason why am I making video about this project is actually the founder of this project is Daniel Wang. Okay, so he is the co-founder and CEO of Taiko, and if you open and check in his LinkedIn, he is the co-founder of Taiko, and here you can see Taiko Labs. Okay, and he was the founder and CEO of Loopring Foundation. Okay, so if you ask me what is Loopring, even this is one of the Ethereum first ZK rollup layer 2 solution. So with this project came and running successfully, and you can even check the market rank 113, and here you can see the price. The total market cap is literally $239 million. Okay, so this project is successfully going. The same guy is only co-founder for this Taiko also. Okay, so surely there will be airdrop potential in this project. The reason is we have to earn this POAP thing. Okay, so it can be NFT or something like that. We just have to do certain task. Okay, if we do that we will be able to collect this. Okay, it is like proof of attendance only. So if we do two tasks, no, so either we have to use their bridge, or else we have to interact with the contract, or else we have to transfer between accounts. Okay, so these two steps are very easy. Okay, so this one is kind of hard, so we will do these two steps only. So very simple, I'll tell you in this video how it's getting done. So we have to do this before January 31st. Okay, so after that we have to climb this on February month. We'll be able to climb it. Okay, so I'll make a separate video by the time when it comes. So make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and consider liking this video and continue watching it, guys. By clicking that like button, it means a lot to me. So I hope this video reach 200 likes. Okay, so come on guys, let's get into the video. So first of all, we're going to see how to participate in this airdrop. Okay, so it's like expected airdrop, not sure that we're going to get. Okay, they recently done their first fundraising, and they'll soon announce the result. Okay, how much they have raised, and so much of details will be coming. Okay, surely we can expect airdrop from this particular project. Okay, so the first thing what we have to do is you should have MetaMask. Okay, so MetaMask is the mandatory thing, and what we have to do is I'm gonna give you all these links inside my Telegram channel, that you can find it. Okay, so just come inside, and here you can see add networks to wallet. Okay, so just click on that. We have to add the wallets here. Okay, so Ethereum A1 and Taiko A1. Okay, so just click add to wallet, and our MetaMask will open. So just scroll down and just click approve and switch networks, and it will get added here. So now here you can see Ethereum A1 got added, and same like that we need to add Taiko A1 also. Just click add to wallet, and it will get added to your MetaMask. Scroll down, just click approve, switch network, and it will get successfully added. Okay, after you successfully add these networks, then what you have to do is click this request from faucets. Okay, so we're going to request faucet from Ethereum A1 and Taiko A1. Okay, so just click on this link, and it will take you here. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to do the tweet. Okay, so here you can see make a tweet. Just click on that, and it will take us here. Okay, it automatically pop-up will come. We just have to give our address. Okay, so where here you can see 0x000, here we have to give our Ethereum address. Just open your Ethereum. So just copy the address. Once you copy the address, just come back here and skip for now. So paste it here. Okay, just select this and paste the address there. Okay, so once you paste the address, just make a tweet. Once the tweet got posted, we just have to copy this link and paste there. Okay, so just copy that link to tweet and open that page again, and just paste it here, and wait for a few seconds, and just click give me Ether. Okay, so here you can see funding request accepted. So now this next thing is we have to request for Taiko A1. Okay, so just open this also and come inside, and we have to click this make a tweet. Just to open that. So once it got open, just same like that, copy and paste the address. Okay, so same address only. Once you paste your address, just tweet it. Once your tweet got done, same like that, just copy the link and go back there and paste the link here. Okay, and then just click give me ether, okay, and here you can see funding request accepted. So sometimes it won't get accepted, okay, so wait for a while. Then here you can see few seconds ago, so like when something like this happens, that time just do the transaction, it will go through. Sometimes it won't go through, you have to wait, okay. So now what we have to do is, we have to go inside and check whether we received our funds or not, okay. So just open here, you can see I've received it, okay. So on Ethereum I've got it in Taiko, and even here also I've got one Ethereum, okay. Now we have to use their bridge, okay. So open their bridge. This link, like I already told you, you can find in my Telegram channel. So once you come inside, just connect your wallet, okay. So click MetaMask and connect your MetaMask wallet here. Click next and connect, okay, and your MetaMask will get connected successfully, and here you can see it got connected. So now we're going to change from Ethereum A1 to Taiko A1, okay. So we're going to bridge from here to there and there to here, so vice versa we have to do. So for example, some amount 0.01 ETH, okay, I'm gonna send. So bridge, so just click confirm and the transaction will go through. So now here you can see the transaction. Now transaction got completed. Here you can see the transaction. So first transaction is done, and the next thing what we have to do is vice versa we have to do, okay. So now from Taiko to we're going to send it to Ethereum A1, okay. So we have to switch network for that. If you just click this, we will be able to switch the network, okay. So now here you can see the chain got changed successfully. The same amount 0.01, and I'm gonna click recommended thing and I'm gonna bridge it, okay, and just click confirm, okay, so that your transaction might go through faster, okay. So that's why I'm telling you, sometimes it will take a lot of time to show the climb, okay. So here you can see the transaction sent, and it should be completed. So transaction got completed. Now once you've successfully done the transactions, so in the transaction tab we will be able to see climb button in the status bar, okay. So sometimes it will take 1 hour or 2 hour, or sometimes it will come very fastly, okay. So it depends on the network congestion. So if many people are not using it, it will come very fastly. If people are using it, you have to wait for hours, okay. So now for me it's showing, so I'm just gonna climb one thing. So I just click the climb. So the transaction is sent now, and it will be getting completed now, okay. So it's here, you can see it's pending. Bridge message proceeds successfully. So here you can see the transaction got completed. So now next we have to climb this one. So Taiko A1 to Ethereum. So I'm just gonna click climb. So in the status bar, if it's showing you climb, it's lucky, guys. You are lucky because nobody is using right now. The network is not congested. So if it's not showing, then you have to wait for a while, okay. You need to wait for 1 hour or 2 hour. When there is nobody is using, that time you'll be able to climb it very fastly. So just scroll down and click confirm. Then it will get climbed successfully. Here you can see the transaction sent, and it will be claimed successfully. Then this claim is changed into claimed, okay. So now the first process is done, okay. So now here you can see we just completed using the bridge. Now we have to transfer between accounts, okay. So this is very simple process. We just need to open our MetaMask, and you need to create another account, okay. So it's very simple. Just create some dummy account, and from here to there you send the some ETH from here to there. Same like that, do it in Taiko also, okay. So creating extra account is very simple. Just click on that. If you just click create account, you just have to name it, okay. Then the account will get saved successfully. So now what we're going to do is just open this and copy the address and come back here, okay, and we're gonna send from here to there. So first I'm gonna send from Taiko A1 network, okay. So just clicking send, and I'm gonna paste the address, and we have to send some 0.1 ETH. So I'm gonna send, confirm. So now here you can see transaction got confirmed, okay. So we sent 0.01 ETH from here to that account. The same goes here also, okay. So use this Ethereum A1 also, do the same thing, okay. So just click send and send it to that address, okay. So click 0.01. The reason why we are doing this is to be in safer side. They didn't mention in which account, okay, so which network. So that's why we are doing it in both the network. So just click next and click confirm, okay. And that's it, guys. So now successfully we sent from each of these accounts. Okay, so now you can even either go to that account, no? So if you go inside this account and check here, you can see I received my fund, and in Taiko 1 also I received 0.1 ETH. You can either send back to the same address where you got this. Okay, so do something like this, and you have to do all these things before January 31st. Okay, so if you are watching this video before January 1st, make sure to do this, and I'll make another video for this one when we're going to earn this proof of attendance. By the time when it's live, I'll make a separate video for that one. If you don't want to miss out, make sure to follow me in my Telegram channel. There only first I'll inform and then I'll make a separate video for that one. Okay, pretty much I covered everything, and that's it, guys, in this video. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you wanna do me a favor, please like this video, and thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. Thank you, guys.